Hello friends. As you know, my name is Chaitanya Dev, and welcome to the new video at my YouTube channel. And this time I've decided to do it a little bit different, and I will be talking about what I want to discuss with you all with a slide in the background. So, today's topic is how to develop reading as a daily habit and transform your life. I'll be talking about strategies to build this life changing habit that reading is. And if you read more, you will realize that you will be full of ideas, and you will also understand different things that you need to know if you're reading, contextually. So let's get started. Yeah, like I said, welcome to my channel. As you know, I talk about different things: productivity, spirituality, storytelling, and I'll also be making vlogs in the near future. So as of now, I've been working on the productivity videos, and related to spirituality, the videos are coming up. So I request you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have, then please keep supporting me and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, that's it. And now let's move ahead. So before we get started, let's understand why reading is a life-changing habit. So it has got many benefits, but essentially, why are we asked to read more? So that we can get to know more, so that our periphery of knowledge improves. The things that we know gets augmented. So that is why generally textbooks are preferred sources of knowledge for us. But then, other than the textbooks, after our study tenure in our schools and colleges also, in real life also we can do it. So what it does is, it if we give some time to reading, it actually improves our focus, and it can also help us have a leisure time to ourselves, and there we get to read new things, and then suddenly our stress also gets managed. So, like I said, it expands our knowledge and stimulates the mind. Mind also needs certain, variation, varieties, and new ideas should be, getting in. So, mind also feels stimulated, and it feels better than before. It also supports personal growth and self improvement. So there will be certain areas where we want to develop ourselves, and with feedback from other people, we will get to know that definitely we want to improve at something. But if we don't read, or if we do not, certain type of stagnation creeps in, and the self improvement does not happen. So reading is one of the things that helps us to really qualitatively self introspect and then work on ourselves. So it creates a bank of ideas for us to choose from. So definitely it is a life changing habit if it is properly given time. So that is what, I mean, you don't need to have so many books around you. You can start small, and you can begin with 10-15 minutes a day, or even for that matter, 5 to 10 minutes a day. And you can read one book, or maybe two books, one paragraph, something like that. And you should read as much as you want to, and as much as you understand. And also, language is not a barrier. Right now I'm speaking in English, so I'm not like recommending only English books. You can read the language of your choice, and if you read more, then you will be exposed to new ideas, and that will definitely help you, to um, get things going for you. So just do it consistently, and the more you will do it consistently over a period of time, these things are going to help you, and these things are going to add up in the near future. So yeah, it is advisable to start small, so that there is no eventual deterrence from your psychological point of view, that you don't want to read much, and it should not be a hassle for you. So yeah, you can start small. Initially, you can choose the books that you love so that you understand most of it. And most of the people like fiction. Some of the people like sci-fi. People enjoy fantasy as well. So maybe if you were a science person, you may not be able to understand something related to finance, or if you're a financial person or a commerce person, you may not be able to understand complex topics of physics. So you should not straight away venture to this, but you should read the related ideas so that you can make some sense of it initially, and later on, as your interaction improves and vocabulary improves, then our contextual knowledge also gets better. Then you can work across the themes. So, dislike is a no no. You should not read the things that you don't like, that you don't enjoy. And initially, you should keep those genres that you enjoy, or happen to understand and relate to. The idea is to make it convenient. You should start small, as well as you should keep these things handy. You can either carry a physical book, use audiobooks, or you can also read ebooks. And they can be read anytime whenever you are free, so they can be read during breaks, before bed, or on your commutes while you're traveling from one place to another. So that time is free. You can take out your 5 minutes and just read a paragraph. And reading a paragraph would definitely give you an idea of the text ahead, or it will make you read more. If it will make you more interested, so that's how making it convenient works. And if you want to be consistent, setting a daily goal for reading would be helpful. So, like, if you want to read like one paragraph, 2 pages, 5 pages, like that, and you can track your progress. You can just make a simple checklist on your daily to-do list that I want to read 2 pages of reading. Currently, I'm reading 2 pages of reading. I'm doing 2 pages of reading. So I take that whenever I complete my daily target. So that is a that creates an idea of sticking to my goals, and it creates a positive self-image when I complete my daily tasks. And eventually, it is making me better at reading as well. So setting a daily goal would work for having this wonderful habit. You can join a reading community. What this means actually, in different socioeconomic backgrounds, you can join libraries, or if you're of a young age, you have friends, you can definitely ask them to read something that you are reading, or ask them what they are reading, and then you also get to read that, and then you can have interesting conversations regarding the reading material. So that could be helpful. Book clubs, reading buddies, or online challenges can be taken. Facebook has so many groups, for readers and for writers. So there you can get connected with people who are reading certain stuff, or who can recommend you different books to read. It keeps reading exciting. So, doing something and making it exciting is very important when you want to, like, really get better something, or maybe get ahead to the average people who may not be reading that much, or who are not reading at all. So that is the idea of joining a community, so that you will constantly in touch with people who are excited about this, and they want to take their reading to the next level. So these were certain points. I will give you a short recap. The first is, you should start small. You should start by reading a paragraph. You can also read a page or two, or you can read 5 pages or something like that. Something that is palatable and chewable by you. So, and it is as per your time. Like, whenever you can make time for it, while commuting, while just going to sleep, or waking up, or around lunch sometime. You should start small, and read something that you love. Read something that you like reading about, And I'll give you my example that I started reading about cricket, and it was a magazine, and it was in 1998 when I was a young kid. I got excited about cricket and started reading about it in the newspapers. So this is how it started, and from cricket it went to different ideas. So yeah, make it convenient. Right now we have so many smartphones around us, and we have like physical books also. Whatever you prefer, you keep it to your desk, to your sleeping area, or in your bag, wherever. Make it convenient that you can use 5 minutes of leisure to read or to develop yourself. Why not? And while doing that, you can set your goals that, okay, every day I need to read 4 to 5 pages, or maybe 2 pages, one paragraph, whatever seems good to you. You can go ahead and join a community or talk to your friends that, yes, I'm doing this, I'm excited about this, and why am I excited about this? So a community gets formed also. So these are certain recap points, and I would request you to like, comment, and subscribe for more such tips. I would not say, maybe, yeah, more such information. And if you're excited about reading books and developing it as a habit, what is your next book? Share in the comments. So yeah, this is about it, and I really thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and comment on the video if you want to ask any questions or want to ask my favorite book. What am I gonna what all I've already read. If I tell you my I can also tell you my favorite book or books or genres. So we can discuss that in the comments below. I would be really happy to answer. And yeah, for those who haven't subscribed yet, I request you to please subscribe to my channel to get more notifications about the content that is coming up. Please hit the bell icon. Thank you so much, and ciao.